To stay updated, please subscribe to our YouTube channel and don't forget to press bell button. You can also find us on Facebook, same name of IIUI Schools, Ukhara campus.
Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. I am Hadia from grade 9th. Today my topic is 23rd March 1940, the Resolution Day of Pakistan. Quaid-e-Azam Muhammad Ali Jinnah said that any idea of united India would never have worked. But in my judgments, it would have led us to terrific disasters. Many of us have been listening about 23rd March, commonly known as the Resolution Day of Pakistan. But how many of you knew the exact meaning and concept behind it? Yet we're sure that many of you were not well aware about the Resolution Day of Pakistan and the struggles and courages of our ancestors kept together in achieving this day. This day is so special in the sense that all the Muslims gather at one platform, showing the best brotherhood and unity impression. Basically, they want an Islamic independent country place. Now you would be thinking about in mind that this day is so special just on the fact that all the Muslims gather at one platform and that's all. No. This day is so special. In real terms, the Resolution Day of Pakistan is the day when all the Muslims put all of their efforts in achieving the homeland which they deserve the most. And Allah created this nation unique and independent so that no one slaves to anyone. So let's turn the page of history and see that how our respectable leaders addressed the Muslims and provokes them with the spirit to fight for the separate homeland. Being the futuristic part of Pakistan, it's our own responsibility to make ourselves patriotic and impassioned and enthusiastic towards our country. Our spirit should rise day by day, whether it's control and chaos between India and Pakistan, whether India fires across LOC in order to target the civilian population of Pakistan, whether it oppresses the Kashmiris. We always step out with our army and even sacrifice our lives for the love of our country, because ideology of Pakistan is based upon peace of land. When we captured Indian pirate Abhinandan Parthaman and presented to him a cup of tea, very calmly, in a historic gesture of peace, Pakistan handed Abhinandan Parthaman to Indian authorities at Wagah border with full of security. And he went on saying that I won't change my stance when I return to my country, because Pakistan army has professionalism attitude. This is the real picture of Pakistan. Because, dear parents, I want to conclude my speech by giving a short message to all patriotic peoples and parents of Pakistan. Please encourage your child to do something for their country as an active worker from heart and soul. Show them military parades and encourage them to do something for their country. Jazakallah.